Hi guys, it's CJ here from Yugatech, and alongside the new flagship Xiaomi 15 series, the brand also unveiled a couple of new tablets, the Xiaomi Pad 7 and the Pad 7 Pro. In today's video, we're going to focus on the Pro version in particular and share some of our initial thoughts about it. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Right off the bat, we see a familiar design. The Xiaomi Pad 7 retains the sleek, unibody aluminum frame that goes incredibly thin at 6.18mm. That's relatively thinner than last year's Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro that measured 6.26mm thick. It's also fairly lightweight at 500 grams. The bezels here are relatively slim and equal on all sides. It's got a matte finish at the back, and the square camera island here on the right also retains the same look as its predecessor. There's the Xiaomi branding on the left, joined by the magnetic strip that allows for easy attachment to a folio case or a physical keyboard. For biometrics, the tablet features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor along with face unlock. Unlocking the tablet is quite fast, and we recommend using the fingerprint sensor because, aside from being more secure, the button placement is comfortable. There's no IP rating in this tablet, so you gotta be careful when handling it. Moving over to display, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro boasts an 11.2-inch IPS LCD panel with 3.2K resolution and runs on up to 144Hz. It's a glossy screen with a decent 800 nits of peak brightness and fairly good viewing angles. The tablet has a quad speaker setup enhanced by Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision, and it appears to have 4 microphones as well. As for the visual experience, we'll have to save it later in our full review, so make sure to hit subscribe and the bell icon and we'll keep you posted. For optics, there's not much to write home about. It has a 50-megapixel rear camera with face-detect autofocus and a 52-megapixel ultra-wide front camera. The addition of an ultra-wide sensor as a selfie camera makes a lot of sense for a tablet, and this should be helpful for online conferences. As for video, the tablet can shoot up to 4K at 60 frames per second from the rear. However, just like we always say, you're better off using your smartphones to shoot content. When it comes to performance, the Xiaomi Pad 7 does not disappoint. It's got a flagship-level chipset, the Snapdragon 8s Gen 3. It's not quite as powerful as the regular 8 Gen 3, but it does the job well. Navigation is smooth and snappy for the most part. And if you're looking to game on this tablet, you can expect an above-average gaming experience. We did a couple of benchmark tests, and the Xiaomi Pad Pro yielded great results. In Antutu, it managed to get over 1.4 million points. And the same goes for 3D Mark, with a maxed out score in our wildlife test. Software-wise, the tablet runs on the latest Android 15 skinned with HyperOS 2. There's not much of a difference here from the previous iteration, except this tablet gets some nifty AI features for productivity and photo editing. These features are conveniently found in one place called AI Services in the settings. It throws in neat tools in the system apps like Notes, Gallery, and Recorder. There's even AI subtitles and AI interpreter, which should come in handy for those class lectures and online meetings. Of course, there is Circle to search as well, but for some reason it doesn't seem to work on this build. We hope it gets fixed as soon as possible in a future update. Anywho, the tablet has this work mode that essentially offers a desktop experience, or at least close to it. We personally like this mode as it allows users to open multiple apps in floating windows. The maximum so far is up to 4 windows, and we think that's more than enough for most productivity tasks. There's also the good old Me Canvas, where users can make drawings similar to that of Apple's Procreate. On the subject of connectivity, the tablet supports the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard and offers convenient accessory attachments over magnetic connection. Our unit is bundled with the Focus keyboard cover and the Focus pen, both of which quickly paired by just attaching them to the tablet in specific places. The stylus goes here. Oh, whoopsie. The stylus goes here on the top part, while the case can be attached securely from the back. So if we attach the case, you just see, now it's attached. Ta-da! Magnet. So if we pair this with the pen, it goes like that. Neat. Interestingly, the physical keyboard here is backlit and has its own trackpad. Meanwhile, the stylus has pressure sensitivity, giving us more control of line weight when drawing. Battery-wise, the tablet packs an 8,850 mAh unit paired with 60 watts of fast charging. To wrap this up, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro presents a solid package with a slim design, smooth performance, and nifty features that are ultimately useful for a tablet of this caliber. The Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 ensures that it handles most tasks without issue, while the smooth display and quad speakers provide an optimal viewing experience. The inclusion of AI features and the workstation mode are really nice additions for those looking to boost productivity, especially when combined with suitable keyboard and mouse setup. So far, this tablet is looking great. As of making this video, Xiaomi has yet to announce the official pricing of the Pad 7 Pro in the Philippines. But hey, what do you guys think of the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro? Will it be your next entertainment or productivity machine? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this content helpful and informative, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Follow us on our socials and visit ukitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! See you later!